Get started with your Tribest Backspin Blender, a revolutionary breakthrough in blending technology thanks to the innovative Contra-Rotating design. You can enjoy a variety of culinary creations, from smoother smoothies and creamy nut butters to gourmet sauces, frozen desserts, and so much more, all 100% hands-free. Let's begin by assembling the Backspin Blender. Place the inner container inside the outer container. Attach the magnetic blade inside the inner container. You may need to give it a little twist until it clicks down into place. Once all your ingredients are loaded into the inner container, secure both containers with their respective lids. Place the assembled containers with the handle in the unlocked position, and then rotate it to the locked position. Lower the control panel, then press down until it clicks into place. To turn on the backspin, connect the power cord, and then flip on the main power switch. Achieve the perfect consistency every time with our 5 versatile presets. The vacuum function uses innovative vacuum sealing technology that reduces oxidation in your blends to protect their flavor, texture, and nutrition and extend their shelf life. To add a vacuum cycle, press vacuum first, followed by the preset of your choice. Once the backspin begins blending, you can adjust the blending speed by turning the dial clockwise to increase the speed or counterclockwise to decrease it. Use Auto to blend all types of ingredients for your smoothies, plant-based milks, soups, sauces, and more. Use Auto Low to create quick blends with a shorter blend time. This is a great preset for both smoothies and dressings. Auto High creates extra smooth blends by using a longer blend time. This is perfect for nut and seed butters, creamy dips and sauces, and even frozen desserts like sorbets. Sometimes you'll prefer greater control over the blending process for that chunkier texture. The pulse function pulses ingredients in rapid bursts. Press and release to create short bursts, or press and hold for a continuous blend. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see all the incredible recipes you can create with your new Tribest Backspin Blender.